Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NETE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. Now, yes, I realize the price did pull back, but even where it closed here relative to where it was before the move today, it still closed higher. So that does bring up the question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at this point of 90 cents. Why is 90 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true longer-term strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 90 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in the upwards direction. So, yeah, there is a deep pullback today, but the bulls still have a chance from a bigger picture perspective if they can start to build those staircases and show progress. And again, I'm defining progress as staying up above 90 cents. What about areas of resistance? First key level of resistance on any sort of bounce is going to call right up there at the dollar mark. So $1 key level of resistance on any sort of bounce. Yeah, I realize it's fun to talk about, this area of the chart and trying to break to new highs. But before you start talking about right around $1.10, that first key battleground is indeed at $1. So all in all, an interesting day. It's just now a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.